Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub, your trusted source for modern farming insights and practical agricultural tips. Today, we're exploring everything you need to know about growing cowpeas. Whether you're a smallholder looking to diversify your crops or a commercial farmer aiming to maximize yields and profits, this comprehensive guide will walk you through every step of the cowpea cultivation process, from selecting the right variety to post-harvest handling. Let's dive into the world of cowpeas and uncover the secrets to a successful harvest. Cowpeas, also known as black-eyed peas or southern peas, are among the most versatile and resilient crops you can grow. They're prized for their high protein content, drought tolerance, and ability to improve soil fertility through nitrogen fixation. Not only do cowpeas provide a nutritious food source, but they also support sustainable farming practices, making them an ideal choice for forward-thinking growers. Let's start with selecting the perfect cowpea variety for your needs. There are many types of cowpeas, each suited to different climates and purposes. Some popular varieties include California Blackeye, Iron Clay, Red Ripper, and Cream 40. When choosing a variety, consider your local climate, market demand, and intended use, whether for fresh consumption, dry grain, or forage. Consult with local agricultural extension services or seed suppliers to identify the best varieties for your region. Now, let's talk about site selection and soil preparation. Cowpeas thrive in well-drained sandy loam soils with a pH between 5.5 and 7.0. Avoid waterlogged or saline soils, as excessive moisture can stunt growth and promote disease. Before planting, conduct a soil test to determine nutrient levels and pH. If necessary, adjust soil pH with lime and incorporate organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure to improve soil structure and fertility. Prepare your field by plowing and harrowing to create a fine seedbed. Remove weeds and debris, as cowpeas compete poorly with aggressive weeds in the early stages of growth. Plan for adequate spacing. Typically, rows should be spaced 60 to 75 centimeters apart, with plants 15 to 20 centimeters apart within the row. This allows for healthy air circulation and easy access for weeding and harvesting. Next up is planting. Cowpeas can be direct seeded once the soil temperature consistently reaches at least 18 degrees Celsius and all risk of frost has passed. Plant seeds about 2 to 4 centimeters deep, depending on soil texture and moisture. In areas with limited rainfall, opt for deeper planting to access moisture. Use high-quality, certified seeds to ensure good germination and minimize disease risk. If you're practicing organic or regenerative agriculture, consider inoculating your seeds with the appropriate strain of Rhizobium bacteria before planting. This boosts nitrogen fixation and enhances plant vigor, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers. Irrigation is a crucial consideration, especially during the first few weeks after planting and during flowering and pod formation. Cowpeas are drought tolerant, but consistent moisture during these stages is essential for optimal yields. Avoid overwatering, as waterlogged soils can lead to root rot and other fungal diseases. If rainfall is insufficient, supplement with drip or furrow irrigation for efficient water use. Fertilization requirements for cowpeas are generally modest thanks to their nitrogen-fixing ability. However, phosphorus and potassium are important for root development and pod filling. Apply a balanced fertilizer at planting based on your soil test results. Avoid excessive nitrogen applications, as this can promote lush vegetative growth at the expense of pod production. Weed management is vital for young cowpea plants. Manual weeding, shallow cultivation, or mulching can help suppress weeds while minimizing root disturbance. Once the plants are established and form a canopy, they naturally shade out most weeds. Pest and disease control is another important aspect of cowpea production. Common pests include aphids, thrips, pod borers, and beetles. Monitor your field regularly for signs of infestation. Integrated pest management strategies, such as crop rotation, intercropping, and the use of resistant varieties, can greatly reduce pest pressure. In severe cases, targeted application of approved pesticides may be necessary Always follow label recommendations and observe pre-harvest intervals. Diseases like fusarium wilt, root rot, and powdery mildew can affect cowpea crops, especially in humid conditions or poorly drained soils. Good field hygiene, crop rotation, and timely planting help minimize disease risks. Remove and destroy infected plants to prevent the spread of pathogens. Now, let's discuss flowering, pod development, and harvesting. Cowpeas typically flower 6 to 8 weeks after planting, depending on the variety and growing conditions. Pods mature about 2 to 3 weeks after flowering. For fresh market production, harvest cowpeas when the pods are still green and tender. For dry grain, wait until the pods have turned yellow or brown and the seeds rattle inside. Hand harvesting is common for small plots, while larger farms may use mechanical harvesters. Be gentle during harvest to avoid damaging the delicate pods and seeds. After harvest, dry the pods in a well-ventilated area to reduce moisture content and prevent mold growth. Once fully dry, shell the seeds and store them in clean, airtight containers. Proper storage is crucial to prevent pest infestations and maintain seed quality. Aside from their nutritional value, cowpeas offer numerous benefits to your farming system. They are excellent cover crops and green manures, enriching the soil and breaking pest and disease cycles. Cowpea residues can be incorporated into the soil to boost organic matter and support subsequent crops. Marketing your cowpeas can be highly profitable, especially if you target niche markets for fresh peas, specialty varieties, or organic produce. Build relationships with local buyers, processors, and traders, and explore value-added opportunities such as packaging, branding, or processing into flour and snacks. To sum up, growing cowpeas is a smart, sustainable, and rewarding endeavor. By selecting the right variety, preparing your soil, managing water and nutrients wisely, and practicing integrated pest and disease management, you can achieve high yields and contribute to food security and soil health. Thank you for joining us at SMART-AGRI Hub. We hope this complete cowpea growing guide has provided you with actionable insights for your next planting season. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe for more expert tips on modern agriculture. Happy farming, and may your cowpea harvests be abundant and successful.